This week I will have a lot of harvest. Yeah, September, it's the time, it's a lot of fruit. This is lavender red. This is second wave Arizona. Lisa. Look how beautiful that is. September is the best time to have fruit. This is helicomment and axe. Look how beautiful this fruit. This is San Ignacio. Look how beautiful this fruit. The color is beautiful. Yes. A lot of harvest. This is still green. And we still have flowers. In September we have green fruit ready to pick up, and flowers, and even small buds. American Beauty. And here's American Beauty flowers. And American Beauty buds. Purple haze. Carnegie. This is Delight. Physical graffiti. Laverne pink. Yeah, this is ready to go. Myla. And this is my new hybrid, the first fruit this year. I planted this from seeds, and now this one I try to see if they are self-pollination. No, they are not self-pollination. But this is when I did cross-pollination. I have the fruit now. See how good they are. Lavender red. Have a green fruit. This one almost ready. I gotta give her 2 more days. Look, I lost this almost from the heat wave. Last week we have crazy heat wave here in Los Angeles, over 100. Look what happened. But in general, thanks God, they are survive because I protect them. Look how beautiful that fruit. Cosmic Charlie. This is the Van Pink here. You see, I have some sunburn. This is George White. Look, Cosmic Charlie. Have a lot of fruit. They need 2 more weeks, they're gonna be ready. Look how beautiful the fruit, Cosmic Charlie. Scorpion, not ready. They're gonna be beautiful fruit when they are ready. I'm gonna show you update. Myla, ready to harvest. A lot of fruit in Myla. Asonta 3. Voodoo Child. Maria Rosa. I harvest some of them. Here we have pods. Maria Rosa. I love Maria Rosa. Santa 3. This is Myla. I'm gonna harvest all these ready to go. Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful Myla. Look, Scorpion. This is how big this buds. Yeah, Purple Haze, Physical Graffiti, Sweet Julie, and this is a new variety now. They're doing good after Trillos. royal red. Look. Black Africana. This is Rexford and Natural Mystic. Sour Patch Kids and Ohana Express. Look how beautiful this Nicaraguan red. Godzilla. I didn't get any fruit yet. And this is Orange Giant and Desert King 16. Trisha. This is Trisha. The A5 Paco. With purple haze. Like you see, we have mixed fruit. In this trellis, I have jade red. This is orange components. And here's Trisha. This is cotton candy. Beautiful fruit. Yeah, I have a lot of harvest this week. I need to collect a lot of fruit. Enigma. American Beauty. Look what we have here. I need to collect this. I want to do taste review for this. Look how beautiful. Golden yellow. G1 and G2. Arizona purple. And this is George red. Red Jana. You see why it's called Red Jana? Because it's turned red. Yeah, you see Red Jana. The color of the branches. Yes, it's the harvesting time. And this is what I did to my tree to protect it from the squirrel. Squirrel, they're gonna eat all the fruit, and he did already. I try as much as I can. If you see the one at the top, how he eat it. See what he's doing? That's why it's a lot of work. I need to cover one by one. Yes. A lot of sunburn here because you see it's open area and the jujube is done. This is what happened from the heat wave. All these spots turning yellow. This is what the damage happened from too much heat. Weather doesn't help. It doesn't help at all. But it's okay. Yes. Second wave, Valdivia Roja. Edgar baby. Yeah, we need to remove all these. Lisa. This is Lisa. Delight. This is Vietnamese red and Rexford. Yes. This is September update in my dragon fruit jungle.